How to free up storage on your Mac. First of all, MacBooks can get full very quickly, especially if you have the base model with the 256 GB storage. Anyway, how do you actually clear it? The first thing you want to do is go to settings. To go to settings, if you have it on dock like me, you can just use that. If not, you can use Spotlight search, or you can go to the Apple logo on the top left corner and go to system settings. Now that you're in system settings, by default you come up to general, but after you've done that, go to storage, and in storage you can see I have only about 73 GB that is free. So first of all, you can see over here we have application, documents, mail, where let's say documents is a bit too large. I can click on I, and here you can see all the folders that are actually taking up space. In this you can select a few folders and just delete it. Let's say I want to delete this file. I can select this or select multiple files and click on delete. Once I delete it, I have cleared about only 471 MB of storage, but that is fine. It is going to go away. The next thing you want to check is trash. Once you delete something, it may not automatically get deleted permanently. It may store itself in the trash. In the trash, it's going to take up space at least for 30 days and then automatically delete, but till then you have no storage. If you want to delete anything from trash, you can just hit empty or just select it or right click it and then delete immediately, or just empty the trash right away, which is going to clear up all the storage. Then you also want to make sure that you are clearing downloads. Go to Finder. In Finder, go to downloads and make sure that you are deleting all the files that are not required, and then make sure you delete trash as well. If you want to delete a file permanently, you can actually just select the file, press Option, Command and Delete, which is going to ask this file will be deleted immediately, which means it is permanently going to get deleted. Once I do that, there is no going back. So these are a few ways to clear up your storage on Mac. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. See you next time.